1. Restart your phone. Close the Amazon Shopping app completely. Remove it from recent apps. Restart your device. Wait for the phone to fully boot. Open Amazon Shopping again. Check if the app still crashes. 2. Check your internet connection. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open a website to test connectivity. Restart your router if necessary. Launch Amazon Shopping again. Number 3. Update the Amazon Shopping app. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Amazon Shopping. Check for available updates. Install the latest version. Restart the app. Test if the crashing issue is fixed. Number 4. Clear Amazon App Cache Android. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Amazon Shopping. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. Reopen the app. Check if it works normally. Number 5. Clear App Data. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Amazon Shopping, tap Storage, select Clear Data. Open the app again, sign back into your account, test the app. 6. Free up device storage. Open Settings, Storage, check available space, delete unnecessary files, remove unused apps, ensure sufficient free storage, launch Amazon Shopping again. Number 7. Disable battery optimization. Open Settings, go to Battery, find Amazon Shopping, disable battery optimization, restart the app, check for crashes. Number 8, update your phone software. Open Settings, go to Software Update. Check for updates, install available updates, restart your device, open Amazon Shopping. 9, reinstall Amazon Shopping, uninstall the app, restart your phone, download Amazon Shopping again, sign into your account, test whether the issue is resolved. Number 10, reset network settings. Open Settings, go to Reset Options, select Reset Network Settings, confirm the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi, launch Amazon Shopping again. Bonus TED bonus fix. If Amazon Shopping still crashes, disable VPN services temporarily, close background applications, check Amazon server status, try using the app on another network. Use the Amazon website temporarily while troubleshooting. These solutions can fix Amazon Shopping app crashing like freezing, closing automatically, startup crashes, black screen issues, and app performance problems on Android phones and iPhones.